Welcome to Instructional Videos. Today we are going to set up the Inversion hanging retractor. So before you begin, you want to make sure that you have something to hang the retractor from. And I also recommend having something to add to the end of the snap rail to make it easier to pull up and down the retractor. So I have a metal ring. So first thing we're going to do is remove the retractor from this convenient carry case. So first thing we're going to do is hang the retractor. So located on the base of the retractor, there are two loops that you can insert hanging hardware in. So I'm just going to clip in my hanging hardware, and hanging hardware is not included with the Inversion retractor. Next, I'm going to attach my metal loop onto the little loop located on the snap rail. So you don't want to use the snap rail to pull up and down the banner. You want to use this little knob or this ring. Once I have my loop attached, I'm ready to pull down on my retractor. And what's great about the Inversion hanging retractor is that you can adjust it to multiple heights. And then to retract your banner, you're just going to pull down to retract it back into the base. And it's just that easy to set up your Inversion hanging retractor.